are at Tagaytay.
Don't go to bed tonight, 'cause I know you've been upset all day, love, and I'm already on my way, love. Oh, oh. I've been paranoid, you're like a Polaroid. Picture perfect, but there's darkness you just can't avoid, yeah. And if you need to scream, well, you can talk to me. It's pretty simple, doesn't have to be movies.
Hey guys, so we're at Tagaytay and we're currently waiting in line for breakfast at Antonio's. And yeah, so we're just going around while waiting for food.
Go to bed tonight, 'cause I know you've been upset all day, love, and I'm already on my way, love. Oh, oh, oh.
So we're done eating. Hi, mommy.
Ay, that's nice. Mama, that's nice.
Thank you. You're so close.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand.
Hey guys, we are checked in at Twin Lakes Hotel. It's so nice. This place looks like a castle. Like, I feel like I'm in Disneyland. We're gonna check out the amenities.
So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running.
Hey, my fingers here. Sorry.
We're done swimming and this is the changing room. So good. We're gonna head out. We're gonna head out.
Gusto mo, ano tayo magpamassage sa room?
Yeah, ma. Pwede daw.
I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute.
Having dinner at Bag of Beans with my mommy. And
I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.
We're gonna go to the grocery now. Sorry, this is so uncultured, but we're desperate. Good morning! It's the next day and we're getting prepared before our breakfast buffet. Off to the breakfast buffet! Hey, Dad. I want this nut. And Mommy.